Good morning, boys. Rainbow on the left, Mango on the right. Daddy's going to work on Moo Moo Cow, which is one of their toys. Let's go to Daddy. Daddy's eating his breakfast, but he knows that Mango and Rainbow's been waiting for their toys for a few days. I finally got the end battery. I know, Mango. Everyone hears Mango in the background? So this is the candy dispenser, Moo Moo Cow. And last video I thought he required one end battery, but actually two. One goes in his head and one goes in his body. But it still doesn't work, Dad. What's going on? Does he have a broken wire or circuit? You have to take a look at it.
Let's see what happened.
Well, Mango's in the background.
One battery's in the head, one battery's in the body.
It used to take 2-button batteries, but Dad converted it to end battery. And for those of you who was watching my video last week, you know the whole story. So it's still not working.
Well, I'm looking at the battery holder. This looks like it's the batteries are put in correctly. But this battery looks like it's opposite of what it should be.
Oh, so let's see.
Let me take it out.
Yeah, and hopefully it works and not the circuit board or the wiring. Wow. I hear Moo Moo Cow. Oh.
That's fixed.
Oh, you hear Mango in the background? He's excited too. Hooray! Moo Moo Cow's fixed. He's revived. Oh, Dr. Dad, the patient lives. Oh, that's how we have our Verge toys last so long. We have an in-house a doctor here. A doctor for engineering and electronics. Oh, thank you, Dad. Oh, okay. Let's go back to Mango. Okay, Mango. You hear your Moo Moo Cow. Daddy fix. You gonna say thank you, Daddy, right? Can you say thank you, Daddy? Well, is Moo Moo Cow mooing? That's Moo Moo Cow. Yeah, that's Moo Moo Cow. Good morning, Rainbow. Oh, you're yawning. It's early in the morning. Yeah, you're excited, right? Moo Moo Cow's fixed. Look, Moo Moo Cow. Oh, don't scare him. That is showing part of the head. Show the face, not the head. He gets scared. The Moo Moo Cow is beheaded. Yeah, that's why he's stunned. But Daddy fix your Moo Moo Cow. Okay, you get to play later. Okay, just before we got Moo Moo Cow going, but all of a sudden it's not working anymore, so Dad's been analyzing. So what's going on?
It looks like the battery holder is kind of old. Or it's a bad design. What we have here is the battery's good, but the battery holder has a piece of terminal that's too fat. This piece.
Okay, yeah, we can see it now.
This side piece. So that means this center round metal is not touching this center post on the battery. So now we have to put some tape to squeeze this battery holder together so it can make the sound again.
Okay.
So if I shake Moo Moo Cow, there's no sound. But if I hold both pieces and squeeze it, it makes the sound.
Okay. We never had that problem with the other end batteries. This is a different brand from the other end batteries. So every battery maker has a slightly different shape to their battery on top. So that, I guess, is it millimeter
Yeah.
difference can make a big difference in how fat and how round it is. So the other brand, I guess, goes better with the battery pack holder. But to make this work, since we bought it already, you're going to tape it tight so it will make good contact, right, Dad?
Right.
Okay, well, thanks for the insight. Mango is very anxiously waiting for his toy. Okay, this time we're going to have him play with Moo Moo Cow for sure. Okay, back to work. It looks like taping it doesn't hold down the battery to make the contact good enough. So now, what are we doing?
Putting a piece of aluminum foil on top of the battery. I took this aluminum foil and folded it into a square or rectangle to make it thicker. And I put a piece of tape here, and I'm going to put this piece of metal on top to make the top terminal higher.
Okay. Okay, so minor adjustment makes a big difference. Success! Okay. So now we can finally put Moo Moo back together again, let Mango play. So we'll give it a go later. Guess who's back? Give Moo Moo Cow a kiss. Good boy. Go get your Moo Moo Cow. He's all happy. Oh. Judo flip. He's not that sensitive. You gotta knock him down. Gotta knock him all the way down before you can get anything out of him. Want push push, Mango? Want push push, Moo Moo Cow? Want Moo Moo Cow to moo? Give him a push. You're gonna give him a lift, right? Oh, you're gonna work on his twist tide? You're gonna check Daddy's work by untying him? Okay. Looks like Mango wants to untie the zip lock. You're gonna do that, and then Moo Moo's cow is going to have a loose head. You really want to check inside. Okay, we'll see how far he gets. Oh, he's getting far. I think he's straightening up the twist tie now. Yeah, Moo Moo Cow saying, what are you doing? Wow, you unravel that fast. Yes. Okay, you're gonna have to put this back like this. We don't want any sharp things poking out. Okay? You go play with Moo Moo Cow, but don't unravel his twist tie. Good boy. Look how, oh, you insist on looking. Oh, you're brutal with him. How about Rainbow? Who's the handsome boy in the mirror? What's Rainbow doing? You're on your cell phone. Actually, you're on Mango's cell phone. You gonna call somebody? Let's call somebody.